Now, most likely napanood na yung video ko about the Pro and the Pro Max ng iPhone 17. And right here in this video, pag-usapan natin yung the other two na nilabas nila, which is the iPhone 17 and the iPhone Air. Ito phone na ito is pretty new, which is going to be replacing the iPhone 17 Plus supposedly. And this one got a big upgrade. Medyo mas pang pro level na siya compared sa iPhone 16. So, significant nga ba ang changes nito ang dalawang phone na ito to merit your upgrade? Pag-usapan natin. Now, si iPhone 17 base model has a starting price point of $799 US, which simply translates to 45,500 pesos. And this one's iPhone Air has a starting price point of $999 US, which simply translates to 57,000 pesos. So basically, this one has a lot of colors, which is, I think, one of the best-selling point ng base variant ng iPhone. Meron siya black, white, mist blue, sage, and lavender. And ang ako is lavender, which I think this is going to be my favorite color for this series. And with its feel and grip, feel ko okay naman siya. Perfect na perfect. And one thing na nag-improve dito is yung kanyang screen size. It used to be 6.1 this time. Pinalit nila ng husto ang kanyang bezel, bumping up to 6.3 inches ang kanyang display without even adding sa kanyang size, which is for me good. But the only bummer dito is they took away 128 gigs, which I think should be a bummer for those who are buying 128 gigs. Pero wala siyang naging price increase. Take note, $799 kanyang last year. This year is still $799 US. This one got an upgrade nga pala sa kanyang chip, which is the A18 to A19, 20% boost sa kanyang performance, which hindi naman natin masasabi right now kasi wala pa naman tayo nahawak ng actual unit. But knowing Apple, for sure, they're going to improve naman talaga each and every year sa kanyang chip, incrementally. Normally. Yung ganang Apple Intelligence, hindi na nila highlight this year kasi it was quite a bummer last year. Last year was all about titanium. This year, this is made out of aluminum. Bakit? Mas mura, mas cost-effective. I think that's the only way to combat yung price increases. Now, pagdating sa camera, the biggest upgrade is yung kanyang ultra-wide lens. It used to be 12MP. This time, they bump it up to 48MP and say, wow, we made history. 48MP na ultra-wide lens, which is nandun na sa mga flagship phone ng mga Android long time ago. But definitely, it's a very welcoming upgrade para sa mga iPhone-based variant na users. Getting a better ultra-wide shot, lalo if you're trying to zoom it in. And being able to record front and rear ng sabay, it's something revolutionary for Apple. But it's an old technology ng Android. Just to mind you. Now, with this small battery neto na 3,700 mAh and supporting still up to 25 watts, I think it's nothing new para sa akin. Sana tinaasan nila fast charging to give you a little bit more peace of mind para mas mabilis mapuno ang yung battery. And another thing na naiwan si Apple dito is still using lithium-ion na battery dito. Could have been silicon carbon, making it lighter and making it bigger. Now, this time around, pag-usapan na natin si iPhone Air. This is the first time na naglabas si iPhone ng sobrang nipis na iPhone. This is just 5.6mm thick, which I think for them it's revolutionary. Pero sa Android world, ang dami na naglalabasan ng mga kahit mga budget phones. Now, one bummer dito sa akin is just one single lens na dito sa likod. Could have been two. Sana lagyan man lang nila na isang ultra-wide to make it better for me. But sometimes, sabi nga ni Apple, simplicity at its best pag isa lang. Now, yung camera bump design dito looks a little bit more of a Google-ish design. Kasi si Pro and Pro Max, more of the Poco-ish design. Personally, I like yung hawak ko dito sa phone na ito. Thin, light, and magandang grip. But mind you, kung mahilig ka mag-music tripping, itong phone na ito, just one loud-firing speaker lang, and you're paying nasa 50,000 plus pesos without a stereo speaker, which is very bummer for me unless you're using an AirPods, which can definitely compensate for that. And ang kanang camera control button, medyo malayo pa rin, so ang hirap i-reach unless ganito hawak mo, which I think is still needs improvement para sa buong series. Personally, I think the iPhone 16 Plus hindi siya nag-take off. Kaya binago na naman ni iPhone for this year, bagong gimmick, and hoping that this one would take off. Kasi they put a A19 Pro chip, which is better than the 17. Yung performance-wise should be better than the 17. Na malaki rin naman kanya display at 6.5 inches. Meron din siya ProMotion na display, which can adjust itself from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. And meron din siyang max brightness of 3,000 nits on both phones, si 17 and si Air. May anti-reflective coating din to, which is wala sa base variant, which very useful siya pag natatapatan ka ng ilaw. Hindi masakit sa mata. Cover na rin ka ng glass with a ceramic shield glass 2. And one thing na napansin ko dito sa buong lineup ng iPhone 17 series, this is the only one that uses titanium grade na frame, making it so lightweight at 165 grams lang. Yung tatlo nag-cost cutting, naging aluminum na. Ito kasi hindi mo ma-justify. Pag ginawa mo aluminum to, siguro nasa 175 grams to. The most exciting part dito is the iOS 26 and kung paano nila i-deploy ang Apple Intelligence on this phone. I'm I'm not personally expecting too much sa kanyang 48MP na rear camera, but with yung ganda naman ng Apple, alam mo naman, it should be something good. And the 18MP na front-facing camera should also get you some really nice selfies as well for perfect pang content creation. The only thing na nag-miss dito si Apple, this only has a 3,150 mAh na battery and still charging just up to 25 watts. Eh kung Android to, ginawa nila silicon carbon and they pack in 5,000 mAh na battery dito. Could have been a better battery performance dito on this iPhone Air, which I think yun ang na-miss out ni iPhone, the silicon carbon technology. Ang pangit kay Apple kasi they always wait and see. Now with all of those significant upgrades over their predecessor, si 17, and this one is pretty new, si iPhone Air, are you even considering both of these phones? Now if you're considering both of these phones, you can always check out sa link on the description which I'll post. Mabibili nito pretty soon kay Digital Walker and kay Beyond the Box. And just a quick teaser guys, alam ko na kailan lalabas to. Roughly nasa second week na October or third week na October. So abangan nyo yung post ko dito or sa post ko on my Facebook page. So don't forget to follow. So if you know anyone among your family, friends na gusto mag-upgrade to the iPhone 17 series, please do share this video para makita nila kung worth it nga ba itong dalawang bagong phone na ito for their upgrades. And of course, i-invite ko kayo mag-subscribe sa akin channel so you don't miss out any other videos dito sa akin channel para marami kayong matutunan. And always buy using the link on the description para makaiwas tayo ng scam. So paano yan? Hanggang dito na naman tayo and I'll be selling my kidney para makabili ako ng 17 Pro Max sa Beyond the Box. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.